video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a multi-character script by Orbit Scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around $24. Now scroll down over here. By clicking over here, you can purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, then go to install folder. Now we have to install the SQL of the script. As I'm using QBCore framework, so I'll be installing the SQL of the QBCore. Open your head SQL, select your server, then click on run. Now go to config folder, then main.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. In the framework section, I'll be changing the ESX to QBCore. In the appearance section, I'll be keeping it on auto. And this is the configuration for UI. You can change it according to your preference. So I'll be keeping it default for now. This is the configuration of character slots. You can configure the number of slots from here. Open the install folder. Then go to QBCore _setup.lua. Copy this line of code from here. Then go to the configs main.lua. Then paste that line of code over here. Just like this. So that's all for the installation part. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default multi-character script from your resource folder. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and this is the first look of the multi-character over here. So this is a scene which I have customized over here for my multi-character. You can customize it according to your preference by just clicking over here. So this is the menu of the scene studio. And the first section is going to be for players. You can select your friends or invite any player from the server. The second option is for vehicles. So from here, you can remove or add any vehicle as you like. As you can see, the third option is for pets. You can choose pets according to your preference. The fourth option is for pose. You can select different pose as you like. The fifth and the last option is for move. With this option, you can adjust or change the positions of the players. Now let's change the position of car. So with these options, you can adjust the camera angle. After everything is done, we just click over here. And our new scene has been created now. Over here, we will get the name of our character, job, gender, nationality, bank balance and cash. And there are several more options over here. Let's check out the settings option. We have lots of options which you can check out from here. You can even change the weather as you like. The timing as well. So this is the options for photo. You can even take out the photo of the scene which you have created over here. Now let's spawn the player by clicking over here. Now we also have the command of relog. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.